dignitaries are requested to stand up while the national flag is being hoisted and for the national anthem. All the officers and men in uniform are requested to salute. Now the parade commander is requesting the chief guest to inspect the parade. Parade is commanded by Shri Srivastava, Inspector General. The second in command is Shri R.V. Manoj Sub-Inspector Chennai. The first platoon is commanded by Shri M. Sivaraja, Assistant Sub-Inspector Madurai. The second platoon is commanded by Director Traffic Commercial General in Railway Board, New Delhi. Our DRMs are graduated from Delhi University and completed the first graduation in law from the same Delhi University. The third platoon is Boys of Railway Higher Secondary School, Madurai, lead by Master V. Rajesh Kumar. Fourth platoon is Girls of Railway Higher Secondary School, Madurai, lead by The balloons have been thrown by the respected DRM sir, DRM madam, and ADRM sir and others team. Thank you sir. The parade is commanded by Shri Srivastava, Inspector Dindigul. The second in command is Shri R.V. Manoj Kumar, Sub-Inspector Chennai. The first platoon is commanded by Shri M. Sivaraja, Assistant Sub-Inspector Madurai. The second platoon is commanded by Babu, Assistant Sub-Inspector Madurai. Third platoon is Boys of Railway High Secondary School, Madurai, led by Master V. Rajesh Kumar, 12th standard. The fourth platoon is Girls of Railway Higher Secondary School, Madurai, led by Selvi M. Netra, 12th standard. The fifth platoon is Scouts Patrol.
Office bearers of recognized trade union and associations, representatives of press and media, ladies and gentlemen, and my dear children. I feel privileged to extend my warm greetings to all of you on the occasion of our 78th Independence Day. Today is a day to not only celebrate the spirit of freedom that defines the ethos of the nation, but also to reflect on a shared journey and achievements. As we hoist the high tricolor today, we honor the legacy of those who fought for our liberty and a fellow countrymen who continue to drive the nation's progress. Efforts of the railway fraternity in Madurai Division towards enhancing passenger experience and efficiency in execution and operations is emblematic of this spirit. Under the visionary leadership of Honorable Prime Minister and the guidance of our Honorable Railway Minister, the Railways has witnessed substantial improvements both in quantum of work done and the change in our approach to service delivery. Perceptible progress in infrastructure development, electrification, and machine-centric maintenance of tracks, technology integration and digitization, and numerous measures towards transforming railway stations into clean, safe, and passenger-friendly environments are noteworthy. In keeping with government initiatives such as Atmanirbhar Bharat, Make in India, the Gati Shakti National Master Plan, Amrit Station Scheme, and One Station, One Product Scheme, Southern Railway has been making significant contributions to nation building. I shall now share a brief overview of the performance and achievements. First, offensive. Offensive has been robust in the first 4 months. Of new structures. Station scheme works are arches, waiting rooms, lift, platform controls, landscape work, provided according to the requirements of the station. Is targeted early next year. Information boards and important community have been station additional for the station. which would take investment in upgradation scheme to rupees 50.69 crore for the 17 stations. Friends, the division comes progress and of paying efforts of our engineers. Achievements in this regard include increase in speed 100 kmph in 80% of the route kilometers of Madurai Division. Relaxation of speed restrictions in